Perfect. Hey, chat. Hey. So we're gonna have to figure something out for this because I'm not gonna be reading chat too much. Keep that in mind. Chat, I'm not gonna be worried about it overly much. But yeah, it is something we will eventually worry about. Boom. We pin this. Boom. Wait, why did it send choice? Oh, YouTube changed the pinned location. I need to copy stream link. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. And perfect. Content. Assist. Yeah. Stream. Official Joyania. I can't spell Joyania at all. I don't know why, but we won't be bothered by it. Yeah. Okay. You guys are going to be able to see some never seen before content once I switch you guys over. I need to get here. I need to find the button that has chat. Right here. Embed chat. No, not stream key. I want to embed chat. Copy, replace this link with the embedded link. And boom. Hey chat, how we doing today? How we doing today? Now we can see YouTube and Twitch chat. To get ready for some broken things because why would things break? Yes, this is a beta development stream, which is basically the server's not even quite made yet. And you guys are seeing the game before anyone else has ever seen it. There's a few people who have seen it, such as the owners, and media team and some staff members. But yeah, I don't know why this is like this. I assume it's not meant to be like this, because that just looks a bit weird. And this is like a professional spawn that we downloaded. Actually, no. Our build team 100% made this spawn. They 100% made it. I need to fix where it says cost wars underscore time underscore cost. Maybe if I do cost and oh, okay, they deleted the actual cost. That's why. Okay, slash warp cost. Yeah, okay, so slash cost. I can disable the script from. It's just going to be called cost. Confirmation. Cost zone selector, which is just going to be there. Second point from cost, the zone successfully set. No schedule, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Perfect. And now, slash SK disable whenever it decides to autocomplete. Cost SK. There we go. Disabled. I got terrible ping right now. Which is fine. Yeah. So we're just basically playing around, developing some features. We got all of this set up. So deaths, money, kills, and playtime, I currently got the most playtime, shockingly enough. I don't know how I have the most playtime, but I do. Eventually, I need to speak to the other owners about it, but eventually we might get, simple voice chat added onto the server. That might be a kind of cool feature we add. The battle for call. Wait, no. I disabled the script. Stop. Call. I disabled script. I don't know why it started it, but it's fine. Yeah. Let me just confirm things I'm seeing are correct. Oh wait, no, I could just watch one stream. I totally forgot about that. I could just watch one of the streams and we'll be fine. Yeah. Perfect. Because of how the stream is set up, you guys are going to be seeing my main channel stream alerts. And that's going to be like whenever I have an alert set off or a chat message send, you're going to be seeing my main channel one, which is the Joyania, because I'm multi-streaming on my main channel and on the Joyania channel. So, yeah. We also got the Canyon crate key. There's a few things we won't be able to do because of spoilers, but if we open this up, kind of cool enchants here. This is the Poseidon's kit, which is by the Atlantis crate, which has the Poseidon trident, Poseidon helmet, Poseidon chestplate, Poseidon leggings, and the Poseidon boots. They're pretty cool. They don't do any other effects than just being like this. I think, or some of these have a little bit extra non-vanilla enchants. Well, kind of vanilla, but they're more above. This crate's going to be modified into a different armor set. That's not netherite because this is like vote crate and such. So we might, and these also, the crates aren't also quite done yet. We still got more things. The summer crate, okay, the summer crate got modified. Fire protection, we'll probably do what I did for the fire crate, which was like 2 of the armors are fire protection, the other 2 are protection. That way we can have one of the protection is still decently good. On breaking, well, all of the crate things will not come in with mending. No mending would be applied onto the actual crate items. You'll have to apply it yourself. Because of that, it's gonna make it a bit more rare because not everyone's gonna be able to put enchants on it. This is what I did for the fire crate. Which has, of course, the fire kit, fire helmet, fire chestplate, fire leggings, and fire boots. As you can see, this is what I was saying with protection, fire protection, and fire protection. These, I don't know exactly what they're about. I don't know why it had mending on it. I don't know why it's renamed, but I'll figure that out eventually. Most of the crates, the other person, or the other owner made. I forget their name. But, yeah. This is probably going to be reduced down to efficiency 5. So it's not efficiency 8, and not as OP. Mending 1, and probably that. Lord Crate, which is going to be the second rarest, or not second rarest, but like right above the other one. Whatever it's called. Right above the Canyon Crate, which this has just iron, or this just has diamond armor, which we're going to keep the summer crate be all netherite, because this is going to be a rare crate, only being given by special events, and certain things like shop purchases and things like that, maybe votes, but for votes, we'll probably just do another one, or we'll do a random one. We might do some poll or something like that on the Discord. What we should do for that. Yeah, you can see the playtime server grow, votes, key all cost, rank, money, team, coins, playtime. Some of them are going to need to get their background changed to black because they don't look as good with the current background. Which I can actually. Sorry about that. I dropped my phone. I can actually change that. And make it black in just a few moments. This is basically what you're going to be getting from this. You're going to get me like stopping randomly as I'm modifying files and things like that. So you're not going to get me entirely, but it's just something that might be cool to do every here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ew. I messed up the file. Yay, yay, yay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we come down here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And eventually we'll get it all done. Thankfully this doesn't take too long. It's pretty quick. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tab, reload, and perfect. It all has a black background. It's not the prettiest, of course. Its color may be changed in the long run, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah. We do need to set up a media rank thing. Parkour is also something that's going to need to be made, which we can actually do that right now. Not parkour. Well, yeah, we're gonna have a parkour menu that's open, which shows your score. I need to figure out how to get your name up there. I know how you do it, but for some reason it's not doing it for me. But you can do a balanced parkour, easy parkour, medium parkour, hard parkour, or expert parkour. Depending on what kind of parkour you want to do. So it's pretty cool. What's the current name of that? Well, let's just delete this parkour. Slash HP, remove area main parkour. Perfect. Now we're gonna go up here a bit, and we're gonna go and create a parkour, which is gonna be, set up, create, balanced. Okay. This is right here is gonna be Puzz 1. And all the way over here is going to be Puzz 2. And then all the way down here is going to be Puzz 3. Well, consider Fall Puzz, but okay. Setup. Max is going to be 1. Difficulty is going to be balanced. Let's see, how much other resources do we need to use for this? Info. Okay, everything's done. Save. Okay. That's the balanced arena. We're gonna do the same exact thing, but for easy, just then easy, then Puzz 1, Yeah, I'm trying not to modify files too much and just trying to run in-game commands for you guys. That way you don't have to deal with me being tabbed out all the time trying to set up files. Boom. Ball puzz. Okay. Difficulty to be easy. And then let's see what this is. Info max. Yes, I need max. Max to be 1. Save. I don't need the name for that. I kind of forgot about that. We'll come back to our location here again. Setup, create, medium. I need to set the puzz. I keep on forgetting to set the position. Puzz 1. All the way up here to be puzz 2. All the way down here to be, and yes, yeah, down here should be puzz. Oh wait, not puzz 3. But yeah. And then let's see. Difficulty medium. Hopefully we can max to be 1. Info. Yeah, perfect. Save. And now we get to do this all over again. Let's set the fall pause again. Create a herd. Set up fall pause. Boom. Come here. Pause 1. Yeah, that's my main channel. My second channel. Or the joint. I'm also live on the Joyania MC channel as well. So, yeah. The other one, the Joyania one, barely has any subs, but yeah, still. Difficulty to be medium. Wait, no, not medium. Hard. I just forgot about that. Max 1. Info. Good, good, good. Save. And time for the final one. Create expert. And now, puzz 2. We come down here for puzz 1. We come all the way over here for puzz. Or fall puzz. Okay. Posted your main channel link in DC. Okay. I just posted the Journey MC one in the official on the new content channel or area, whatever it is. Did I get everything for it? Oh, difficulty. Expert. Perfect. Save. And now, if we do AJP, start, start. I don't know what's gonna give me. Hey, I'm Marconhan. I know for sure I did not say that right, but still. Hey, what? I think it gave. I don't know what it gave me. Hold up. I just want to know what the expert one looks like. Oh. Okay. So this may be a bit hard, but that's fine. People can choose what game mode they want to do. Let me get that set up real quick, and let me change the name around for everything. This is basically the stream that leaks all of our plugins. Our plugin leaking stream. But that's fine. I don't care too much about it. This is balanced. Click underscore command, I believe. Hold on, I need to go to the wiki. I don't know how it's made. You may restream. I use restream. I didn't make it, but yeah, I use it. Deluxe menu wiki. I forget what the action or the click commands system is. Um, action, and let's see, connect. Eventually, I may find it. Well, actually, let me just. I know it's gonna go here, but it's fine. Save deluxe menu. Oh, I deleted all the. Wait, no, I didn't. It is. Uh, do not have a click? Left click commands. Or, yeah, left click commands is what it is. This is. On that line. Perfect. By the way, 8th May, I can buy it. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. I think I memorized everything for that. Let me click the save. Eventually, my game's the panel's gonna let me save the file. Alright, there we go. Record. Balanced. Boom. AJP start balanced. Now, because I modified this, we'll have to see if it works or not. Hardcore. Okay. It doesn't. Okay. So I have to use the thing. Reload, parkour. No? Did I mess it up somehow? What? It should work. Right, hold on. That's the correct command, right? AJP start balanced. That normally starts it, right? Yep. Uh, advanced, which is going to be left click commands. Oh, I forgot about that. That's why. Um, layer. We should be fine if we keep it like this. DM reload. Parkour. Boom. Okay. And now let's add the close command and perfect. So now, if I copy this over to easy, easy, and then medium. By the way, if we get done with this early, we will publish early. Yeah, we will publish it early if we get it finished earlier. Also, can I open staff apps? Yeah, go ahead. The only thing is, I don't want the entire Discord server to be to be staff members, but we have to accept them, so it's fine. Skirt. Okay. Because there's only one admin. Yeah. I kinda intentionally made it so there's only one admin. Like in a way, we don't really need, and 3 to 2 of most of them. Yeah. But either way, I can't really be bothered too much for that, or to make sure it's just only one admin. What we need as well is we need a manager. That's what we also need. So let's see. Boom. You click balanced. Okay. Perfect. Let me get off of that. I'll message you something in DMs. Alright. So I don't leak stuff. Okay. Perfect. Medium. Easy. Hard. I should probably open up chat again. Oh yeah. Okay, that's just you. And then expert. Insane. So chat. Now, if you go over here once the server releases, you click /parkour, you can choose your parkour. So from balanced, easy, medium, hard, or expert, you can choose which hardcore or which mode you like. They're both really fun. And it's really just what skill level are you? If you want to challenge yourself, give yourself expert. Because that's like really hard. Which one's the easiest? It's either balanced or easy. I haven't tested or the difference between balance and easy is, but it's one of them. Hey, Science Max Elastic. I think it might be balanced. That's easy. Do you have iPhone? I do. An old one, but yes, I do. Also, let me relog real quick. Uh, You head to a lobby. Yes, you guys are gonna have to see a bunch of things that you shouldn't see yet. Okay, now if I do /parkour, it actually shows up as a command. Whew. Okay. Wait, did it? Ah, there it goes. Very delayed. I don't know why I was doing that. At some point I need to figure out why it's not saying your name up there. It's meant to, but right now it's not. We're also going to be getting a coin flip that's going to be working eventually. Shop is also going to be made some eventually. Fun and games. Yeah, what did you exactly mean by this, Rex? The fun and games thing. I never made the NPC because I didn't know exactly what you meant by the fun and games. I'll make rest of NPCs and prefix. Okay, like Connect 4 and stuff. Oh, okay. Okay. In your staff or chat, if you guys want to see the staff area, you can right here. All three of the owners are here. These two are the owners. They're the founders, owners. And then this one is just Rox, who owns the Survival SMP and just manages stuff. More of a manager, but owner of the Survival SMP. I don't know if I'm not too sure how I'm gonna incorporate stuff with this. I haven't came up with an official rank for anybody yet, like for the owners. But I know me and Ash are most likely gonna. I don't know if I want to make a founder rank or not. Probably not. But yeah, that's the three owners. We have Retro Remains, which is our admin, and then we have Techno Heroics and Little Ninja MC, who are our moderators, and Kid Pool and Jeez It Strings. Like Strava owner rank. Yeah, I could do something like that. I could maybe do edit staff. You guys can see the whole command or all of our things. If I just do that, come on, what happens if we do this? I don't know how this is gonna look, so we'll have to figure this out. Add a line and 7 to be survival SMP. I don't know how I like that. And then, like, for the Ash one, we do add a line and 7 to be global. No, I don't like that. We'll remove those and it's fine. I'll think of something to do for it. in the future, but yeah. See, right now, all these members are just staff members for the survival server. We will have staff members for the other server. I don't know if I want to put developers and build team and maybe creators up here. Probably not, but we'll see. And then right here is, this could be you. Apply now in our Discord. If you click it, it says join the Discord. You can come hang out in our Discord you can come join our Discord to hang out with members using this link. The link does not work. I need to get a developer to fix that. Probably Ice to fix it. But yeah. And then down here is, I don't know what this is. I removed most of the ladders. I forgot to remove this ladder. But I don't know what this is, and I don't know if we're going to use it, or if we're going to block it up, or what, but we might put something here. We'll see. Yeah. Oh, you added that ladder. Okay. Do you know what that place is meant for? Like, is it necessary? Yeah. Okay. I didn't know what it was used for, so. Yeah. You also have announcement boards. Oh, a small dual area. We might just keep it as a pit and leave dual, like, fighting in the other area, because then I'm gonna have to modify the whole world guard regions and everything. So, just that specific area they can fight, but it's fine. Yeah, we got a key all in 12 minutes. In about 2 minutes, we'll get an announcement saying that we have a key all, which should probably be modified. We probably won't make it as often. But yeah, we have team wars, which you can do some warring and fighting. I don't know exactly why we have the Great War, but it's fine. We kind of need to fill up the spaces anyway. So today, what we can work on a bit is maybe making this place look better, the AFK zone. I don't know exactly what our plans are for this yet, but we could probably make it look decently better. I'm just gonna delete this region for AFK, that way I don't have to deal with it. And yeah. So let's actually... Okay, well, there goes that stuff, because it decided to go away. So let's actually just delete this, and we can remodel it to make it a bit better. And look prettier a bit. Slash set 0, huge lag spike, 0, perfect. Now we can do set block boom boom here to be dirt. Okay. I don't know what we had plans for this for. Maybe, hold on, let's see. Is there anything at spawn that we could put AFK zone in? Maybe it might be better if we put like an AFK zone at spawn. Like maybe in here. Is this whole thing filled up? No, just the entrance. This could be a pretty cool AFK zone. I mean, not the best interior, but we could probably modify it to make it look better. It's gonna need a lot of modifying, because this is a world that we got. So, nothing's gonna be perfect about it. Boom. Set that to be 0. You like what? Like what? The NPC. Fun and games. Right click the NPC, or right click to teleport to fun and games. What let's call it try putting it as games. Keep the we can keep the warp like that, but like let's try renaming it to games. Like games, right click to teleport to the games air. Um, right click to what did what did I have it over here? Actually, yeah, the second line have it click me to warp, and then the first or the third line is going to be to the gaming arena. We can try that. See how that's going to be. Yeah, games, then click me to warp, and, and make it white, which is F. Like and F. Mm, yeah, chat. All of her NPCs I think look pretty good. And then to the make what white the line. Hold on, I can do it. Work on the second line for me, which is to the gaming area, whatever. Uh, fun game. Set line to click me to warp and F. Okay, you don't have to worry about doing the color code for the other one. Just write it, and then be fine. Read to the gaming. Ooh, I don't like that. Arena. Okay, that's a bit better. Yeah, stuff. And then we're gonna have a background set to transparent and text shadow to be set. Oh, it's already on. Okay, there we go. And now, yeah, I think our NPCs look pretty cool. Which is coin flip. And it's all the same for all the other ones, just different colors and different modified text. But like, click me to open is usually the first start, or click me to warp. And then this to open, and then to the Warzone arena or the server's coin flip menu. One or the other like that. I don't really know what this room was designed for. Possibly some sort of crate slash set or delete warp AFK slash set warp AFK slash warp AFK. Perfect. We can just set it to be that again. I don't know what to do for the walls because the walls don't really look good. But, I mean, it's decent for now. Yeah, got. We could. I don't know if I want to put like a sign there or what. Um, let's go over to our. Oh, wait a minute. How was this hologram made? Holo edit. Welcome. Our holo info welcome. Text alignment center see through update or text interval and updating fixed. Uh, hmm. Because no matter how you look, it's flat out like that. We've been trying to do that for these leaderboards, but we could not. At least I couldn't figure it out. Slash hollow edit two top billboard fixed. Oh yeah, I kind of forgot that this is a bit slow. Wait, no, it's not. Actually, it is. Yeah. I mean, I guess it's not too bad that it's like that. It's not the worst. It's better than it moving around like that. So, this is play top or playtime board. Why is that one so weird? I don't know. Do we like this? Alex, do you like this over here? I don't know. Like this could be better. Done. Bow top, playtime, boom, boom. Oh, okay. I thought I made bow top. Okay. Yeah, do you like this over here? I don't know what to do with it. Like, it's slanted, but it doesn't move, like, at all. I don't... I don't really know if it's a good look or not. But, like, the other two move with your thing, but I don't know if it's worth having it slanted or worth having it move. Anyway, to slant it a bit, like rotate. We had something on. What if I? Oh wait, that's how. That's how. That's how. That's how. You have to rotate the pitch. Um, kill top, rotate pitch, and that's gonna set it decently above. Slash, hollow, edit, desktop, uh, billboard fixed, and then uh, what I totally forget what it was. Rotate pitch to be 1. Okay, and then this, which is gonna be coin hop, um, rotate pitch to be 1, and billboard to be fixed. Perfect. I mean, it's still not perfect, but it's decent. It's better. It's better than it was. Excellent. Nice. We're professionals here, chat. We know what we're doing. Okay. Yeah, I meant to come here to, without any distractions, I meant to come here and click the, okay, perfect. You get sent here, which we can make this hit the AK zone. I don't know if we want it yellow inside. What color is on the AK zone thing? Oh, it's orange. Okay, yeah, we're fine. I mean, still, it doesn't look the best, but it's fine. AFK zone wand. We're gonna define this, and we're gonna define that. Create AFK zone. Perfect. You can immediately come in or come out, and yeah, it's amazing. Very much professional here, Jack. In less than a minute, we'll be having a key drop, so that could be pretty cool. 30 seconds. I'm surprised there wasn't an alert there. I thought we had an alert for 30 seconds, but I guess not. I think there's an alert for 10 seconds at least. At least. I got a placeholder, or got a placeholder for top keys open all time. Let's check. I don't know if we do, but if not, I'll remove it. Okay. Need to find the placeholder section. Because I'm pretty yeah, placeholder API support. I guess I need to go to the wiki of this plugin. Where is the wiki? Wiki, 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 where are you? I just click that. Okay, here we go. Placeholder API. Okay, so you wanted got a placeholder top keys open. Fine. No, we don't. We don't have a placeholder for that. We have a how many times can a player open crate? How many openings are available for that crate? Because if for how they have to wait. Actually, no, we do have one for how many times a player opens a crate. So, like, if you want to have a leaderboard for how many times someone opened the canyon crate, then we can do that's a placeholder. Which I'm actually shocked about. I didn't know that that was be. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay. Uh, excellent. Great. Opening this. Underscore. What crate do you want? Atlantis, Canyon, Summer, Fire, or Ward? Hmm. I mean, I would maybe do like Summer, make it a seasonal thing, but I don't know. Yeah. We get see what we get. Chat. Summer. Okay. Are you are you doing one for each thing? Oh, for each crate. Okay. Yeah. Let me get the idea for it real quick. Editor. Okay, so it's just called the actual crate. So like, Atlantic underscore. Right, that's gonna show you how many openings they open the Atlantis crate. It's called Atlantic because that's what it used to be. Um, but still, what problem has been detected by this thing? I changed it to Atlantis. Want me to do that? Do what? Like everything's renamed in the Atlantis thing. It's just changed to Atlantis if you want to. Yeah, it's just the idea of what it is. It's called Atlantic. Yeah, let's actually give ourselves some Atlantis keys because that's kind of cool. Um, create key give Julian Atlantic, but yeah, we have this cool thunderstorm thing. I might make a custom one. Oh, we got Poseidon Trident. Epic. Let's actually do this. RG flags spawn. PvP that needs to be off for spawn, but where's snow? Snow. Ice form, deny. Ice melt, deny. Snowfall, deny. Snow melt, deny. Yeah, frosted ice, deny. There was something where you can deny like spawn falling, but yeah. So if I do set weather to be rain here, we're gonna have to set it to. Okay, yeah, we're perfect. we get into the rain, and yeah, this is really cool. I might try to make something better with the trident, but of course we want to make sure it's not too OP. Yeah, we'll see. You also are invincible here. Boom. Actually, can I get myself over there? Yeah, we can. Okay, so it's weather to be clear, but we can also just stuff ourselves in this water and get ourselves up there. Yeah, we also have a pirate ship over here, which is also pretty cool. I kind of want to do something here, but I don't know what to do with it. Like some sort of event or whatever on it. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, this is basically what we have so far. Um, we've been streaming for about an hour, which is shocking. But yeah, I don't think there's too much that I can really do on stream, only because of I don't want to have to like be tabbed out for the entire stream. I might do one more development stream before launch. We'll see. But yeah, I think this is decent enough for today's stream. Which is basically just showcasing the server advertisement. Um, and yeah, once the server releases, we'll be having our whole release party thing on the server. Votes will be open then, and all that stuff. So yeah, be pretty cool. We can create the survival world and all the other worlds. You make it like real quick. Nether, the end, and last but not least, the underscore end. And with that, all that is made. And I don't think there's anything else we need to do. But yeah, you guys kind of get a sneak peek of the server. And other than that, any good trades here? Of course, nice. Yeah. We'll be doing some survival series, episodes, maybe, with this. What didn't work? Uh, it's supposed to be a letter. Excellent underscore lint create. Yeah, that's supposed to work. Hmm. Is there anything we have to do? Else? Odd. Okay, yeah, I'll fix that a bit later once I get there. But yeah, the stream wasn't really active today anyway. I kinda didn't assume it would, but yeah, that's fine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's stream. We'll be trying to do more of this stuff in the near future. As I was saying, we do have plans for like a survival series sort of thing. It might be stream, it might be video, it might be whatever. But we do have plans to make videos and streams on this server. So keep an eye out to the Joyania channel. Make sure to leave a subscribe there so you don't miss out on anything. And other than that, we'll be ending it off a bit. Yeah. We'll be back maybe next week. Maybe. Actually, next week it probably launch. Possibly. I don't think it is. No, that's beta. Next week it's beta. Yeah. But we'll be doing streams on beta as well. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And we'll be seeing you guys then. Don't trust me for any streams I say. Because I don't know what I'm doing here. Yeah, see ya.